Common animals. Dog.
Dog.
The dog is swimming.
The dog is swimming. Fish.
Fish. These fish have bright colors.
These fish have bright colors.
Horse.
Horse.
One horse walks on the grass.
One horse walks on the grass.
Chicken.
Chicken. The chicken catches a worm.
The chicken catches a worm.
Dog. Fish. Horse.
Chicken.
Hit.
Art. Set. Hit. Art.
Set. Box.
Fit. Sky.
Common animals.
Duck.
Duck.
The two ducks are different colors.
The two ducks are different colors.
Horse.
Horse. Many horses are trotting by.
Many horses are trotting by.
Chicken.
Chicken.
The chickens look for food.
The chickens look for food. Cow.
Cow.
The cow eats near the river.
The cow eats near the river.
Duck. Horse.
Chicken.
Cow.
Gas. Hit.
Art. Gas.
Hit.
Art. Set. Box.
Fit.
Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for everyday's new video.